Now moving on, gold is stealing the spotlight, hitting record highs as the festive season kicks into high gear at the day of Dhanteras. Strong demand for jewelry and coins is driving the surge, though some buyers are turning cautious due to the elevated price tags. Both 24-carat and 22-carat gold across major cities like Mumbai, Delhi and Chennai are holding an all-time peak, with slight variations due to local taxes and making charges. Silver is also glittering, touching new highs on festive and industrial demand. Market watchers expect the bullish trend to persist, fueled by global uncertainties and a softer dollar, though short-term pullbacks could offer buying windows ahead of Diwali. Now let's take a look at the recent price updates, viewers. Now we have been tracking this, viewers, very closely on Newsx for you, and we have been getting you various comparisons, whether it be from last day to the previous day, last week to the previous week, last year to this current year, and we're trying to tell you what the difference really is. So now, viewers, as we can see, the gold prices per gram today versus yesterday. All right, viewers, so on the 17th of October, let's speak about 11th of October first for 24-carat gold, which is 12,508. Let's look at 18th October 2025, 13,278, which is quite a reasonable jump. On the 11th of October, we have 22-carat as 11,465. On the 18th of October, 22-carat gold, viewers, is at 12,171. On the 11th of October for 18-carat, 9,381. And 18th of October, of course, 9,959 for 18-carat. So you can see the huge difference there. This is, of course, today versus last week. Now, viewers, gold prices per gram today versus last month. Let's see what happened on the 18th of September 2025 when it comes to 24-carat gold. It was at 12,032 rupees. And on the 18th of October 2025, it's at 13,278. Now, that's, of course, September, viewers, so I'm going to correct that there. 18 September 2025, 22-carat was at 11,029. And 18th October 2025, 12,179. That's quite huge, viewers. Look at the difference. 18 September 2025 for 18-carat is 9,024. And 18th October 2025 is rupees 9,959. My God, viewers, quite large. Very surprising indeed. This is, of course, today versus last month. And now, viewers, we're going to getting you the comparison between today and last year. Now you'll see the huge jump that we are normally seeing. 18th October 2024, 24-carat, 6,500. 18th October 2025, 13,278, viewers. Look at the difference. 22-carat, 5,958 last year, 12,171 this year. 18-carat last year, 4,875, and this year 9,959. Now, viewers, just look at the vast difference. So anybody planning to buy gold can just understand how much of a difference it is from last year. And now, viewers, of course, I am going to get you a larger analysis of the gold prices as we normally do. And we are going to be speaking to Dr. Sharad Kohli, who's a senior economist. Dr. Sharad Kohli, as always, viewers, breaks it down for us so well. And in a comprehensive fashion, you will understand why gold prices are increasing. Dr. Sharad Kohli, welcome to the broadcast. And please take our viewers through why gold prices are increasing now.
Good morning, Vaishali, and good morning to the viewers of Newsx. Well, at the outset, I would like to inform that from yesterday, the prices have come down by about $100. As we measure in ounce, the price in COMEX in America. That's where the price opens up from for gold around the world. And the reason why it came down is because President Trump, sort of backtracked on the 100% tariffs it had declared on China. And he says those tariffs are not sustainable. So he probably, that's a typical Donald Trump style, first making a declaration and then going back. Probably he felt that China can twist its arm, China can twist the tail, which can probably put America in trouble. So with those fears ebbing down a bit, we saw some profit booking from $43.50. It came down to $42.50. It went down to $4,200 at one point of time. Then it rose again to $42.50. Having said that, I think this is just a very temporary thing. The second aspect of why this price went down was also because profit booking on 29th October, there is a COMEX monthly contract expiry. So some profit booking coming after that, after gold has had a huge run. But the underlying factors, Vaishali, more importantly, they still remain intact. The geoeconomic uncertainty is very much there. It has not disappeared anywhere. The geopolitical uncertainty is very much there. President Zelensky of Ukraine met President Trump at White House yesterday, and he demanded Tomahawk missiles, which President Trump was a bit hesitant to give. He says, I've been talking to President Putin and so and so. So all those dialogues, this and that is going on, but the undertone is still very, very sensitive. It's still very, very risky. So because when gold senses these geopolitical and geoeconomic uncertainties, it tends to rise. So today is the weekend, so you will not see any movement in the prices today and tomorrow. Well, Monday is another day, as they say, because a lot happens with President Trump. I have made a new index. It's called Trump Mood Index, PMI. So it all depends on President Donald Trump as to how he pans out, what new statement he comes out of his hat, what new policy he comes out. So the underlying factors, Vaishali, remain intact. So I don't really see any major reversal in gold and silver prices as of now.
Dr. Kohli, that's a very interesting term that you've invented. I mean, Trump Mood Index, that's interesting. But what I want to ask you is that today is Dhanteras, and of course today is a day when our viewers will be stepping out shortly to either buy silver, gold or a precious metal. What do you suggest our viewers should go and buy? What carat should they buy? What is your recommendation?
Well, Vaishali, since Dhanteras is more of an auspicious occasion, and it is considered especially in the Hindu community that, it is auspicious to buy metal. So whatever one's pocket allows, and if you really have to go for gold, go for a smaller coin, according to your budget. If you have to buy a piece of jewelry for gifting to your nears and dears, you can probably go for a low caratage gold. If your budget is not permitting you to go for a full-fledged 22 carat or a 24 carat gold coin, you can go for a 14 carat, 18 carat, even 9 carat is available. So you can buy low caratage. You can buy silver in smaller quantities. So people don't have to get disheartened that it's become beyond their reach, because there are options available in the market. And it's a matter of puja or, a shagun, as they say in Hindi, as part of a ritual. I think you can still, I find a lot of people buying utensils today. I think the tradition is that you have to buy metal. So any metal would do, whatever suits your budget. Nothing to worry. I think the festival should be celebrated in its full spirit. I don't think gold and silver prices should dampen the spirit of the celebration, Vaishali.
Thank you, Dr. Kohli, for joining me, and a very happy Dhanteras to you and our viewers indeed.